Hey guys, what's up? Wagwan. So I decided that I got some good news for you guys. So I decided that I'm gonna create a page on Instagram just for my YouTube channel so that I could interact with you guys, communicate with you guys. We could do video chat, live chat. I'm gonna create some new content. I am definitely going to start showing you guys different Jamaican dishes. I'll teach you guys how to cook, for instance, how to cook curry shrimp. I'm gonna be going on some type of fitness journey. I kind of think you guys need to know a bit more about my life other than just, oh my gosh, let's speak patois patois. I'm definitely gonna do patois, but my content is going to be shifting. I'm definitely gonna be doing all different type of content. So I hope you guys could stay on this journey with me. So if you guys want to follow my new page, it's Shashajamaican, just like my YouTube name, Shashajamaican. So Shashajamaican. That is my new Instagram page. Follow me and I'll follow you guys back. We are going to have a good time. I think life is short, so why not do the things you want to do? And I think I like YouTube and I want to be more involved, so I decided that this was the best choice for me to do is create a new Instagram just to focus on you guys. All right, well, I love you guys, so please subscribe. I'm gonna put below my name, Shashajamaican. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hopefully this is gonna be a wonderful journey and you guys are gonna love it. I love you guys.